to show you my puzzle here, and I ordered it from eBay. The item location was marked as China, and somehow the puzzle came from Botany, New South Wales, Australia. This is Australian post. But you can see there's I think it's just relabel it. I don't know why it came from China and then send it from Australian again. Okay, let's open it. Oh, it looks very fancy. This is the so-called Divoom Timebox, and I think the previous version was called Aura Box, and the different, as far as I know, the other one, the Aura Box, has 1 pixel less from each side and doesn't play radio. This one is with built-in radio. So let's open it and see it. I'm very happy with the packaging. It looks very fancy. And these are all the details, or very. So push it. Wow, looks quite fancy, the box. And here's a time box. Oh, it's well protected. Wow, it's really nice. Oh, by the way, I paid around $47 US. I think there are 2 options. One is a black one, and this one is a kind of wooden look. And this side, this is the speaker side, and these are the LEDs for pixel art. And on the top, there are just like an alarm clock, the snooze button, and all the button to play media files. The foam underneath is really nice. I didn't expect that so high class look. What is this? This is the small booklet instruction. Micro USB. And this is the audio cable, just in case you don't want to use the Bluetooth. There's also audio out, in and out, and the micro USB. I think I need to go through the details and get myself familiar with the box, and then I can show you. And the other thing is, maybe it's not even charged. Let's have a look. Do I have to press it? Oh, it's already charged. I'm quite happy with the brightness here. You can see my room is very bright, and you still can read the time here. So I can go to the station via this button. Okay, now let's turn on the time box. So there's a nice greeting icon, and start the app. I already installed it yesterday and played around. See, trying to connect the box. So it's connected at the moment. You can see there are many different apps you can use. The first one is the music, is the music player. Now let me play the song. I'm quite happy with the sound quality, although you won't be able to hear it over the video. And I don't think the player is working properly. if I try to increase the volume here, you can see the slider keep on coming back. So I can increase it from here, and the slider is going up. I don't know whether it's my phone or it's a Timebox problem, but I can use I can go down, but I just can't go up from my phone. And the other thing is, if I pause it, then the progress bar is going back to the beginning, and if I press play, it just plays from somewhere in the middle. So it's annoying, you don't even know where you pause at. So go back, let's show, the radio is not very exciting. The other one is the voice message. I can leave the voice message on the box, and you can see that this is the original voice recorded. I can record it as a female voice. Hello, I'm Big Boss 97. How are you?
Hello, I'm Big Boss 97. How are you?
So then you can see that the box is showing there's a message left on the box. If someone come here and can play the message by pressing the play button.
Hello, I'm Big Boss 97. How are you?
Then the message is gone. So you can leave the message on the box. And the other one is the design of icon. So you can design your own pixel art. And this one is the animation. You can design with 9 images to make it moving. And here is the gallery. You can, this is I already created last night. And here is the animation gallery. And there are also a lot of different graphic store come with the app. And there's a cloud showing what other people sharing their artwork. One thing I want to show you is the editor is not very good. Go to gallery here. So I press it and I can select edit and all other stuff. If I go to, I want to change this one. Let's assume I modify this one and want to save it on the same name again. Because I modify it, this should save as the same name. Somehow it's keep on asking me to type in the name. But I want the same name to override the existing one. And you will see a flash of the arrow message here, something with repeat, which doesn't mean anything to user. And it didn't save. So the only way to save, to override the existing one is you have to save with under a different name and delete the old one, rename the new one, go back to the name. That's very annoying. So there's room for improvement. And here is a planner. So you can set up all different graphics at a certain time. And the sleep mode is basically you use it as lighting in the room. Okay, you can see that there's alert Twitter. Someone just tweeted something, and I don't need to show you later, but you can see it's working now. That there's a notification of Twitter. This one is the lighting. I can turn it on. So they start playing music. Just use it as a light. I can change the color. And the voice I can select like Seashore or Midsummer. And there are a few more. And the next one I'm going to show you, alarm is not very exciting, just like a normal alarm clock. And this one is the tools. This is a stopwatch. And under tool, there's one more scoreboard. This is also useful if you got two teams playing a game or something like that. You can use it as counter for two teams. But somehow the minus button here is not very responsive. And this one are the games. I don't think it's very useful, but it's funny to see it. And there are 3 games. The first one is a slot machine. I have to start it with shaking it. So you can see there's a one with the dice, rolling the dice. And there's the 8 ball. You can ask a question and get an answer. And this one is an arcade game, so I can play. Oh, this is a car race arcade game. I wouldn't play it with my time box. And most important thing is it is the notification feature, and it will show you the screen, like if there's a Facebook or WhatsApp notification, or when a call comes in. Let's try it out. Now you can see there's a call coming in. It even shows you the number. I can pick up from with the play button and use a hands-free speaker. One more thing I want to show you is the speaker, of course, works for other apps as well. It doesn't really need to use that app to play the MP3 file. And here is a MIDI player, and I can use a MIDI player, play MIDI. And you can hear it just works as fine. Of course, the slider is still a problem, so you can get louder. Okay, at the end of the day, I'm pretty happy with my time box from the Divoom, and the quality is quite nice for that price, and even the box is very nice quality. And the only complaint I have, as I show you the volume slider, I couldn't adjust the volume from the phone properly. And the other thing is the design editor for pixel graphic and animation. You can't save the same file. It's very annoying. You have to work around the problem. There's one more thing I'm not happy that I can't really send a batch like a slideshow of many pixel graphic. I have to send one by one. I can work around with the planner, but the planner you have to specify the time and so on. It's very annoying. It's much easier just like a slideshow. I can do it, but I'm still very happy. I hope they will improve it later, because it's just a matter of software. The hardware is pretty nice. And I hope you like the video. If you like the video, click on the like, of course, please. Thank you for watching. Bye.